Hey guys, I got a new video out. It's been about 2 months since I've flown. This is a cross-country to Page from Sarasota. I just want to take a quick second before the video starts, and there's going to be a little bit of crackling, and it has something to do with the transponder and the electrical system in the aircraft, so I'm going to apologize for that right now. And there's a little bit of waviness during takeoff, and you might notice it a little bit in the flight, but it shouldn't be too bad. I just couldn't not show you this because I think it's a pretty good video. Hope you guys enjoy.
There's at the ground, Cessna 4240 Quebec is at Dolphin Aviation. We have information, Mike. We would like a southbound VFR departure to Page at 2,500 feet.
Cessna 4240 Quebec, Sarasota ground, say type Cessna.
Skyhawk 40 Quebec.
Skyhawk 4240 Quebec after departure, fly heading 240. Maintain VFR at or below 1,600. Tampa departure frequency 119.65. Squawk 0161.
240 for the heading, 1,600 feet at or below. Departure frequency is 119.65. Squawk is 016140 Quebec.
November 40 Quebec, read back correct. Runway 32, taxi via Alpha, hold short, runway 22. Wind 280 at 13, altimeter 297.
32 via Alpha, hold short 2240 Quebec.
November 40 Quebec, like runway 32 at Delta, 5,050 feet available.
Yeah, Delta's fine, 40 Quebec. We'll take 32 for Delta.
Number 40 Quebec, roger that. Hold short, runway 32 at Delta intersection, and contact tower 120.1 when you're ready.
Sarasota Tower, Skyhawk 4240 Quebec is ready for departure on runway 32 at intersection Delta.
Number 4240 Quebec, Sarasota Tower, runway 32 at Delta, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 3240 Quebec.
Number 40 Quebec, contact Tampa departure.
Tampa departure, good day, 40 Quebec. Tampa departure, Skyhawk 4240 Quebec is with you, climbing for 1,600 out of Sarasota.
The 4240 Quebec, Tampa departure, I didn't call maintain 2,500.
Climber maintain 2,500, 40 Quebec.
Number 40 Quebec, resuming navigation.
40 Quebec. When we get down to Page, we would like to do a touch and go, and then we're going to return on your frequency.
40 Quebec, roger. Did you want flight following back to your destination?
Yes, you have the time for 40 Quebec.
40 Quebec, after completion of your touch and go, plotting 310, climb and maintain 2,000, return to this frequency.
Alright, after our touch and go, heading 310, 2,000, back to your frequency, which is 126.8. Page Tower, Cessna 4240 Quebec is with you, 1,900, climbing to 2,000 feet.
Cessna 4240 Quebec, Page Tower, enter the right base, runway 23, clear, touch and go.
Enter the right base for 23, clear for the touch and go, 40 Quebec.
Cessna 40 Quebec, I want you to keep it nice and tight, please, for runway 23, you are clear, touch and go.
Clear for the touch and go on 23, keep it inside, 40 Quebec.
Cessna 40 Quebec, heading 270, please contact Fort Myers departure.
270 over to Fort Myers departure, thank you, 40 Quebec. Zero Quebec has Sarasota in sight.
Air 40 to Quebec, make it straight in runway 32.
Straight in for 3240 Quebec.
That's 40 Quebec, connect Sarasota Tower 120.1. Give me your best rate all the way in.
Alright, thank you very much. Contact Tower 120.1. Good day. Sarasota Tower, Cessna 4240 Quebec. Now with you for 32.
November 4240 Quebec, Sarasota Tower, measure. Continue inbound runway 32, number 2.
Continue inbound for 3240 Quebec.